Welcome to this brief introduction to Barrett Analytics, where we explore the positive impact a values-based culture can have on your organization. The Barrett model is the breakthrough work of Richard Barrett. Originally inspired by Maslow's hierarchy of needs, Barrett expanded the model even further to identify the 7 areas that comprise human motivations, as well as the values behind each of those 7 areas. This focus on values as the key drivers of behavior and ultimately culture is what sets the Barrett model apart. Values are our most authentic motivations. They are what matter most to us and ultimately drive every decision and action we take. Using Barrett Analytics allows us to map these values across the spectrum of human motivations, ranging from basic safety to societal contribution, to give you a better understanding of what is most important to your organization's leadership, employees, and stakeholders. Even better, it empowers you to intentionally create more supportive and productive relationships between these various stakeholders and create a deeper alignment of purpose across your organization. Barrett Analytics map values on the Barrett model by asking 3 simple but powerful questions. First, you're asked to identify 10 values or behaviors that most reflect who you truly are, not who you desire to become. These are your personal values. Next, you're asked to identify 10 values or behaviors that you feel most accurately describe your organization in its current state. This is the current culture of your organization. Last, you're asked to identify the 10 values or behaviors that you think would allow your organization to reach its highest potential. This is the desired culture of your organization. The selected values of all the participants in the survey are then combined into an individual chart where patterns can start to be identified. You are able to see the alignment or misalignment of participants' personal values compared to the current culture they are experiencing within the organization, as well as the values they want to see in the desired culture. The most frequently occurring values across all surveys are listed in descending order below each model's dot plot. Next to each value, you can see how frequently it was selected by participants, as well as which level of the Barrett model that particular value corresponds to. These dot plots also identify potentially limiting values in your organization's culture, which contribute to the total cultural entropy percentage. Cultural entropy is an especially useful insight since it measures the amount of fear, dysfunction, and negative or destructive energy within the organization. While some percentage of cultural entropy can be expected in any organization, higher percentages can indicate a critical need for cultural transformation. Considering the values alignment of your organization's employees and culture through these metrics allows you to visually identify existing strengths as well as areas of improvement. It also gives your organization a benchmark against which you can measure future progress year over year. Most importantly, it opens the door for meaningful conversations so you can identify what is most important to the people within your organization and better understand what truly matters.